Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the dev error 5820 in Black Ops 6. Alright, the dev error 5820 is a multiplayer error that prevents matchmaking. It appears on all platforms of Black Ops 6. It's seemingly most common on PS5, but the same error can be experienced on the Xbox Series X as well. These issues seems to be server-side and may get better over time once the player base shrinks. Alright, if you want to check if there's something that you can do about this issue, first one here is you might want to check the status of the game. Just go to sport.activision.com/online services. And on this page, you'll be able to see on the drop down which game you want to see the status with. For example, here, the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and Warzone. And as it states here, all platforms are online. If yours is set to offline or maintenance, that could be the reason why you are having the dev error 5820. Alright, another solution here is by going to the game shortcut by opening up your Steam app. Now, once you are on the Steam app, just go ahead and go to your library and locate the game. Alright, for example, this one is currently installed on my computer. Just right click on Black Ops 6, hit on Manage, then go to Browse Local Files. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and locate the game's exe. For example, here, this one. Right click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility tab, and make sure that Run this program as administrator is ticked. Alright, once done, just go ahead and hit on Apply, hit OK, close everything, and run the game again and see if it helps. Alright, if that won't work, don't worry, I still have plenty of options here for you. What you're going to want to do is to go to the Steam icon right here at the top left, click on that, go to Settings. A new window will pop up. Just go ahead and locate downloads right here. And as you can see here, there's an option clear download cache. Just go ahead and click on clear cache. Wait for the process to finish. Once done, restart the computer, launch the game again, and see if it helps. Now, if that won't work, go ahead and go back to the game. For example, this is Black Ops 6. Go to Properties, Installed Files, and Verify Integrity of Game Files. All right. Once it's done verifying, just go ahead and try to run the game again and see if it helps. Now, if that won't work, you might want to try this workaround right here. Just go ahead and open up the game. All right. And go to its quality settings and make sure that on-demand texture streaming is set to minimal or off. You might want to try to play around with this setting right here. And many reports that this particular workaround worked for them. All right. Now, if that will work, you might want to try to reset your internet configuration. All right, if you are on PC, go to your search bar and type in CMD. Once the command prompt pops up, just go ahead and go to the right side and click on Run as Administrator. There will be a pop-up, just click on Yes. All right. Now, once you're in here, just type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Hit Enter. Another one, ipconfig /release. Hit Enter. Another one, ipconfig /renew. All right, wait for the process to finish. It's done. Just type it netsh winsock reset. Hit Enter. Another one, netsh int ip reset. All right, as you can see here, the process is done. Just go ahead and type in exit and hit on enter to close the command prompt. After that, don't launch the game yet. Go to your internet icon right here. All right, right click on it and go ahead and click open network and internet settings. Now, once you are in here, just go ahead and click on change adapter options. All right. Once done, double click on the network that you are currently using. For example, here I only have one, so I'm going to go ahead and double click on it. A new window will pop up. Just go ahead and select Properties. A new window will pop up again. In here, locate IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it and hit on Properties. There will be another window. Just go ahead and select use the following DNS server addresses. If yours is set to obtain DNS server address automatically. All right, tick this one right here below that and try to use the Google's DNS server for now, which is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Once done, just go ahead and hit on OK, close, close, run the game again and see if it helps. All right. Another option, go ahead and double click on your current network again, properties, IPv4, change this one to 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. All right. Once done, just hit on OK, close, close, and open up your favorite browser. All right. Type in 1.1.1.1 and hit on enter. The Cloudflare's website will open. Just go ahead and select your respective OS. For example, here I am using Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and that will be a download page. All right, just go ahead and start the download. You might be able to see yours here on the top right that says download or start the download. Just go ahead and click on it and wait for the download to finish. All right, as you can see here, the download is done. Just go ahead and click on open and the installation process will begin. Just go ahead and hit on next, install, and again, wait for the process to finish. There will be a pop-up again. Just click on yes. All right, as you can see here, the process is done. Just click on finish. And as you can see here, you might notice that there's an added icon right here on your taskbar. All right, just go ahead and click on the cloud icon. Hit on next, accept, and wait for the app to load. As you can see here, it is set to disconnected, but don't worry, just click on the slider right here to turn on Warp, all right, or the Cloudflare's service. Don't worry, it's free. Now that it says here that it is connected and it states that your internet is private, just go ahead and launch the game again and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.